Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will talk about how to create video ads. And these video ads are specially made for ebooks and everything, and how do you create them, everything like that. Number one, why video ads? Things to keep in mind: faceless video ads, with face video ads, how to create video ads, and some examples of that. Now, why video ads? You use video ads to scale campaigns and go on multiple platforms. Because if you're going from Facebook to YouTube ads, let's say after 1 month or 2 months after launching your funnel, and you're doing pretty well, when you go to YouTube ads, you cannot use image ads over there because YouTube does not allow that, and you would need video ads. Similarly, on other platforms, you would need video ads, right? If you're going for different platforms, you would need video ads over there, and for that reason, we start creating video ads. And remember that every video ad you will test on Facebook, whatever works the best, you'll put that on YouTube. We have made a separate module on how to scale on YouTube, and you can use that over there. I would still suggest that go for an agency, do not do it yourself, because YouTube ads is something that is a little more complicated than Facebook ads. Now, things to keep in mind: you need to make it basic and raw. They may not work well, so you have to have one rectangle video and one square video. How to make a square video, how to make a rectangle video, we'll cover on that. Faceless video ads: you record on a PPT without showing your face. So if you remember, I showed you a tool called as Vidyard. I'll just give you an example of that as well. Basically, you use Vidyard and you create faceless video ads with that. So let's say you have made your script. How to make a script, we'll talk on that. Let's say how to create video ad. This is my Facebook ad that I want to create. I will simply click on the Vidyard tool on the top. Once I have the Vidyard tool, I'm going to not show my screen. Simply click on screen, not show my face. My audio is getting captured. I'll click on start recording. I'll record my video ad. I will edit it a bit if I want to, and then I'll save that video. That's my video ad, right? So you can create faceless video ads with that. I'm going to give you a script. Do not worry about that. Next, with face video ads, basically recording a selfie video in a park or a road. Now, I mentioned in a park or on a road, you're going to make a video ad only on those two places. In a park where there's a garden or something like that, and secondly on a road, like a walking road. On those two places, video ads perform the best. You're not going to use anything else. Now, you record a selfie video. You're not going to have a professional shoot and all of that things. If you can, please do that. If you cannot, do not try to look for it. Just pick your phone and start recording selfie ads. I'll tell you one thing: selfie ads for me, I've even performed at 50,000 per day ad spend, right? Even if I've scaled to 50,000 per day, selfie ads that work for me. So you can make a selfie ad and start with that as soon as possible, because the reason it works is because it's raw and it's something that people can connect with, because they can also do something like that. And when they see something like this, they actually relate with the creator. These are with face video ads. If you can show your face, you use this. If you cannot show your face, then in that case, you are going to go for the PPT ad. Now, to do this, you simply use the selfie video and you say the script that I'm going to tell you. How to create this: PPT and phone. PPT I've told you. Now comes phone. You can edit this using InShots. I'm going to give you a separate tutorial on how to use InShots. InShots is a mobile editing app to edit your video ads. You do not need any expensive tools to create your video ads for now. Just use InShots. I'm going to give you a short tutorial on how to do that as well. Now, how to create on phone, that's what it comes to, right? So these are some examples I'll show you of the scripts, and later you will use them for yourself. So this is an ad that we made in a professional shoot, but you're going to use the same script in a selfie video format. I'll open the resource section of this. So in video ads, we have two video ad templates for you. Basically, this is link of Facebook ad library. If you want to find other scripts that work, simply go to your competition, see what scripts work. You can use this link to go to Facebook ad library. Now here are example links. Let me open this up in a new folder. So what I've done is I've made two videos as example for you, this video and this video. And then over here, I've given the exact word by word script. Are you a dash struggling for dash? Then I have a dash. I'll give you two options. Basically, watch this. You'll understand how this video script works. You're going to memorize this script and make a selfie video ad. Number two, you're going to come over here, watch this ad, and then the script of that ad is over here. So you're going to use that and record the selfie video to make the ad again. Now this is called as a square ad. You can see it's in a square. This is called as a square ad, and this is called a rectangle ad. To convert a rectangle ad into a square ad, what you do is you record this in rectangle only, but you apply this up and down wala portion. Here you put some headline, and here you put some subtitles. And once you put some subtitles over here and a headline over here, this would become a square ad. So you can convert your rectangle ad into a square ad. That means you need to record one script only. Once you record your one script, you'll use that as a rectangle and then put subtitles and headline, which will also make it a square one. And now, since you made it in a square one as well, you will have two video ads for yourself. If we talk about homework, you need to create two video ads, one square and one rectangle, and you need to edit it very minimum and launch if needed. If you want to scale from the start only, you can launch video ads from now only, and you can start your ads. If you are not planning to scale and you're spending 200-300 per day, then start with image ads only. Do not start with video ads. So that's how this thing works. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. InShot tutorial would be given with this module and two more extra things that are surprise for you.
And this video hit different, press on the subscribe button, share this with a friend who needs to hear this, like the video, comment what was your favorite part, and I'll see you in the next one.